Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So igame elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against iMagesi FC. Kuzobe kuyigame ebalekile kakhulu ke le for Orlando Pirates because they need u3 points kule game le. Njengoba beudinga nje u3 points. Uma bewuthola u3 points bazolingana ngamaphuzu ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa ke nayo iSundowns iyadlala kusasa, idlala against iSwelele. Miwina ke Sundowns izoqhubeka ihambe phambili kuno Orlando Pirates. Mase ke ilindela umdlalo wayo wokugcina ezodlala against iTS Galaxy. Orlando Pirates ke lapho ke izobe sinemidlalo o2 isazodlala neDurban City mase futhi ke iphinde idlale nani na idlale neOrbit College okuzoba umdlalo wokugcina weOrlando Pirates. Mamelodi Sundowns yona izofinisha early because they are preparing to play iCAF Champions League final. So bona bacelile ukuthi umdlalo yabo basheshe bayidlale isheshe iphele imidlalo yeLeague. So kusasa iOrlando Pirates ubaluleke kakhulu lo mdlalo lo because kumele bathole u3 points. Yebo, I spoke about this game. So namhlanje ngizoshaya nje ilana prediction yami. Ungayigxeki ilana prediction yami. Ungitshele wena yakho ukuthi ithini ilana prediction. Yabo ungitshele lapha kuma comments. Yabo. So ngizoqala nje ePalini. Ngiyalazi ukuthi abafethu ePalini bafethu ukubani na uSipho Chain. Sipho Chain is my goalkeeper. Uyena umjida ke ngizomqalisa kule season le. Kule game esiyidlala njalo. So umjida ke bafethu he has been doing well for Orlando Pirates. I just hope Hugo Bros uzomxolela galezi indaba engizwayo regarding yena ukuthi bafana. Ngisazoyishaya ivideo regarding uSipho Chain. Ziningi indaba engizwile ngayo Sipho Chain engayithandanga, but ke for me in my books he's the goalkeeper of the season. I just hope nje Hugo Bros uzokwazi ukuthi ke umjida amthathe ehambe naye. Mase siya ku center back pairing ke bafethu ngiyalazi ke udaba ku center back pairing ubani na uSibisi beno CM. I like the fact that abantu sebeyavuka manje emaqandeni sebeyarealize ukuthi no man uSibisi beno CM iyona center back pairing le bafethu esisebenzelayo. Yabo, I saw many people they were blaming this center back pairing. Mina ngabatshela ukuthi bafethu relaxani, le center back pairing le iyona ezosebenzela iyona esiyisebenzisayo going forward. Yes wahamba umbokazi, but ke these guys awekho ama mistakes athena seke bawenza acost team ukuthi ke idliwe, acost team ukuthi ingadlali kahle. Masubheke nje kwi team, masubheke nje so far Orlando Pirates yona esiconsider least goals. Yabo, siconsider least goals. Ingakho Sipho Chain enama clean sheets amangaka is because of the defense yethu ekhona. oSibisi badla imboleni indlela adlala yakho oSibisi last game. Yabo, abajida ba performa ngempela. So I'll stick with the same setup back pairing. Masukuthi ke ama wing backs. Yes udlalile uNdaba last game, uNdaba futhi udlale kahle kakhulu last game. But ke the reason why uNdaba estartile kule game esiphuma kuyona is because we are playing against a steady side esikwazi uku-attack. Njoba nje bedlala neteam e-attackayo, we needed a defensive player ozodlala leya position leya ka Dion Hoto. Dion Hoto umdlali lo ozomfaka uma ufuna uku-attacka more. Yabo, attacking wise uDion Hoto is your player to start lapha ku left wing back. So kule game le bafethu kumele si attacker more because yodlala against iMagesi. Lo asodlala against iMagesi, we need at least 5 goals just to be safe. Score 5 goals just to be safe, 5 and above. I'll start usibelebele same lapha na ka right wing back bafethu ibona abajida about 2 abazokwazi ke banikeze ama attackers Orlando Pirates. Yabo leyo nto leyo. So abajida about 2 ngizobaqalisa mina kule game lesoyidlala against iMagesi. These yona defense yamekele bafethu okusiyema usibelebele masokuba uSibisi beno Dion Hoto. Masokuthi ku number 6 position ngiyalwazi udaba nakhona bafethu ku number 6 ngizoqalisa uMakehleni Makhawula. Ever since uMakehleni Makhawula came back to this Orlando Pirates squad, umjida he has been helping Orlando Pirates kakhulu. So uya deserve ukuthi ayiqale futhi na le game le. Yabo, mhlawumbe omunye umuntu bengasho ukuthi ke le game lesidlalise i-double pivot, but ke I haven't heard anything regarding ubani na uNemtajelo umjida. If you remember wathinteka ukuthinteka kancane, so I don't think umjida uzobuya anytime soon, but ke we might see uNemtajela in the upcoming game. But ke kule game esoyidlala I think ukuba nawo number 6 just to protect i defense yethu uzosisiza kakhulu. Yabo, Makehleni Makhawula umjida usebuyile kwi form yakhe. Yabo, I just hope nje bafethu nayo sehlendulwe uya recover khona sizoba nabo bonke abadlali siyivale nje kahle isizini, abadlali bekhona bephelele bonke beyisiza team idlale kahle. So uyena ke number 6 lo yana ngizomqalisa basukuthi ke phambi kwakhe ngiqalise bani na ngiqalise uTito Maswanganye ze number 10 mase ke ngiqalisa bani na ngiqalisa uTalente Mbatha. If you remember last season, this was the Orlando Pirates midfield ebesidominator ngawo last season. Iyona midfield le ebinqoma abantu abaningi last season. So ngifuna nje ukuyibuyisa na kule game le bafethu bayiqale bajida, and I want to see uTito Maswanganye scoring a goal. I want to see Tejo Maswanganyi scoring a goal, and I also want to see Talented Mbatha scoring a goal. It has been a while since I last saw Talented Mbatha scoring a goal. Each and every game, you always see Talented Mbatha trying to score a goal. I haven't seen a simple goal from Talented Mbatha. Njalo mefuna ukora uhlezi ukora lamagoli lawa ngaphandle kwebhokisi. Yabo, sometimes kumele just nikeze igoli elisimple, igoli nje esebhokisini akhahlele nje kahle. But again, it has been a while since I last saw Mbatha scorer or making an assist. But again, kusasa each and every player okhona egroundini kumele enze sure ukuthi uhamba enalo igoli, because kubalekile ukuthi igame yakusasa siwina amagoli amaningi. Ngilokho ngiyi-highlight nje lento bafethu, because le game le esuyidlala lama game asele ngenzeka adeterminwe yini na amagoli. Yabo, amaphuzu ke manje ikubukeka ngathi ke thina ne-Sundowns amaphuzu ethu azolingana mekuphela isizini. So kumele senze sure ukuthi ke siscora more goal. Mase sisa kuma-wingers, nakuma-wingers bafethu ngiyalwazi udaba oswina police lapha ka-right uyena Mjida engamqalisa mina. Mase sithi lapha ka-left siqalise banena, siqalise Mfokeng. These are the players eso-attacka ngabo, iwona ke labadlali lawo eso-attacka ngabo. Ayise Mfokeng drifting inside, mase ke uDion Hotto ahambe ayi-wide ayiphezulu ayo edama numbers edama cross. Mase ko same as also na police uyakwazi angene inside sibelebele amnikeze icover laphana khona ezoshaya amabhola phakathi eboxini. Players like abo Makehleni Makhawula and Talented Mbatha will drop deep, maybe sizi team i-attack izo defend. So iyona ke indlela leyo mina engayiqalisa khona the wingers. Yabo, ngokuzwa kwami ngizwele kuthiwa uTepa Morimba bafethu Mjida uzobuya nanoma inini. Ngenzeka simbone kule game esoyidlala, ngenzeka singamboni, but ke ngizwile ukuthi akalimele kakhulu. But ke okumforce Mjida kumele simforce kakhulu, because remember phela uyodlala iWorld Cup. Njoba nje uyodlala iWorld Cup asifuni ukumbona ilimele ephinde futhi elimale kakhulu i-long term injury. So kumele sithi kumrelaxisa kancane. Yabo, so bakhona abadlali abasengaqala lama games akhona remainayo. Yabo, so kule game le mina ngathi kumbeka kancane base ukuthi ke i-striker bafethu niyasazi ke striker uEvidence Makgopa. For me, Evidence Makgopa, he has been my number one striker. Yabo, he has been my number one striker. I always spoke highly about Evidence Makgopa, but ke it seems like Mjida, he is not a favorite here coach. But ke Mjida each and every time I'll tell you to uyayibonakalisa as that number one striker. So kulama games asela, I feel like kungangcono if we start with ubani na uEvidence Makgopa as our number one striker. But ke wena ngokwakho ungangitshela yipi i-team ongayisethi bapha badlala ngabaqalisa njengoba siyodlala nje against iMagesi. Mina ngokwami this is the best 11. Simple Chain, Sibelebele, Hotto, Sibisi, Siyema, masekuba Makehleni Makhawula, Talented Mbatha and Tito Maswanganyi, masekuba Osuna Police, Evidence Makgopa and Mfokeng. Yabo, I just hope the guys they know ukuthi ke i-Orlando Pirates i-badge right now libheke bona. The fans abheke bona, i-pressure bangayicabanga i-pressure face. It's just another game. This is just